What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. और आज हम लोग बात करेंगे प्रीमियर लीग के फैन फेवरेट मैच दिस वीक आर्सेनल और मैनचेस्टर सिटी के बारे में। बहुत डिसअपॉइंटेड था मैं इस मैच को देख के। That no one really tried in my opinion. मैं इतना excited था इस मैचअप को लेके कि finally I'll watch some good football this weekend and yeah it was just straight up disappointing. Arsenal had the possession most of the game and they didn't do anything with it. वो लोग पीछे पास कर रहे थे, वो लोग वर्टिकली पास कर रहे थे, लेकिन देयर वाज़न्ट अ सिंगल अटेम्प्ट टू बी क्रिएटिव. दैट इज व्हाट broke my heart the most. I don't think this is the right mentality or the right way for Arsenal to go about if they want to win major trophies. Arsenal and Manchester City are top 10 teams in Europe. कोई स्पार्क ही नहीं था किसी मूव में, कोई भी क्रिएटिव आउटपुट नहीं दिख रहा था फील्ड पे, जस्ट पासिंग द बॉल नॉनसेंसिकली. पहले हाफ की बात करें तो I don't know what they were trying to do, but everyone was coming forward and all they were doing is passing the ball up and down, and eventually City got a break. Haaland being Haaland, he's so strong, he's so fast, and he's so clinical. But एक single pass, Haaland puts it in the net. Easy 1-0 for Man City. And इसके बाद half time तक I don't think either of the teams did anything.
You're just ruining it.
फिर जैसे second half start हुआ, I think things will change क्योंकि both managers saw how the other team was playing, so मैं expect कर रहा था कि वो लोग changes करेंगे based on how the other team was playing. But man, it was so boring. पूरे मैच उन्होंने कुछ नहीं करा. The only urgency Arsenal showed was towards the end of the game, which led them to score the equalizer. Again, Gabriel Martinelli, he scored an amazing goal. Donnarumma को chip करना easy नहीं है, given how big he is and how smart he is. So yeah, a very great goal by Martinelli. And Richie Eze, Crystal Palace का वो player, का ex player, जो कि Tottenham जा रहा था, but Arsenal ने वो signing hijack करी. So yeah, that signing coming in clutch. अब बात करते हैं सिटी की. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वन गोल दैट सिटी स्कोर्ड, आई डोंट नो गार्डियोला किस माइंडसेट से आया था आज के मैच में. आई नो जो टॉप 4 टीम्स होती हैं किसी भी लीग में, if you even grab a point against them, I think it's considered a good result. जैसे ही 60th 70th minute हुआ, he started making defensive substitutions, something which I saw Ernesto Valverde do with Barcelona. I've seen that by Nuri Sahin in the Champions League final. ऐसे काम नहीं करता football. You are just 1-0 up and you play like Atletico Madrid. I don't think that's how football is supposed to be played. At least the football that I like to watch. I think definitely, I mean, City have won a lot of Prem titles and yeah, also they won the Champions League 2 years ago. इस matchup में I think the one team that got hurt more or that needs to work more is Arsenal, क्योंकि Arsenal has been under development or yeah trust the process phase for about 3 to 4 years. So they've consistently finished second. They only made a deep run in Champions League last year, but yeah, I don't think जो उनका current mindset है, current play style है, that will take them very far. You have to be hungry, right? बात करें उन teams की जो कि बिल्कुल last minute तक give up नहीं करती हैं. For example, Liverpool this season, Madrid over the past years, I mean they are infamous for scoring last minute winners. Barcelona last season, they've got to be like these teams if they want to win major trophies. ऐसे काम नहीं चलेगा कि you go out there, play it safe. I mean, you're great defensively, but you're scared. Go attack, take some risk. थोड़ा कुछ तो करो गेम में भाई. बॉल इधर उधर पास करते हो तो गोल्स कैसे आएंगे?
क्या ये चैंपियंस के चेहरे?
एक और चीज, I see it specifically in teams like Arsenal, Chelsea, and now even United, that they don't play for the team. They play for themselves. For example, आज के मैच में राइट विंग में नोनी माडुएके खेल रहा था. He was so late in releasing the right pass. क्या play style है? You have to play for the team first and then play for yourself after that. आपने अगर 2 गोल या असिस्ट दे दिए मैच में, then you can go 1v1 and try to do something for yourself. But आप 1-0 डाउन हो और भाई आपको खुद ही ड्रिबल करने की पड़ी हुई है, आप पास दिख रहा है क्लियर, आप दे नहीं रहे हो. सेम चीज मैं चेल्सी में भी बहुत देखता हूँ. पता नहीं भाई क्या पेड्रो नेटो ऑल्सो डज दैट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. आई सॉ जैक्सन डू इट लास्ट ईयर. आप लोग देखना कि जो भी टाइटल विनिंग या टॉप टीम्स हैं उनके प्लेयर्स ऑलवेज प्ले फॉर द बैच फर्स्ट, then they play for themselves. It was such a disappointing game. इतना मैं excited था इस मैच के लिए, and हुआ क्या 1-1 man. The most boring match I've watched. Chelsea United का मैच और ज़्यादा बेकार था जो कल रात हुआ. लेकिन yeah, this was I would say just as horrible to watch as the game yesterday. So yeah, those are my thoughts. See you in the next video.